apparently I lied to you guys. I really didn't mean to, but in my last Nayo Smart backpack review video, I was talking about how I have reviewed all the Nayo Smart backpacks. But as soon as my video went live, on the very same day, Nayo Smart released a brand new backpack, which is actually not really a backpack. It is of course awesome, and we will talk about it in this video because of course I had to have it, and here it is. It is the Herman H8 Multifunctional backpack, and yes, I know it does not look like a backpack, so in this video I will walk you through everything that this exciting bag has to offer. And if you are new here, I am Vicky from NonStopTravelVV, and I love to review everything travel related, especially good luggage, which is also the reason why I love Nayo Smart so much. Alright, without further ado, this is the newest edition, so they literally just released this one, and thank you Nayo Smart for sending me one of those. Honestly, when I took it out of its box, and by the way the box is as awesome as all the boxes are, so the packaging is super nice as usual with Nayo Smart, and when I took it out my first reaction was like, so maybe I misunderstood, because this is not a backpack, this is a laptop briefcase, right? And I turned it around and I was like, are there any backpack straps? And I was like, So for a moment there I was like, okay, it is an awesome briefcase, but it's not a backpack. Until I played around with the zippers, and I think it was this one, yes. And in here, out come the backpack straps. And then you just connect them here with those little loops on the bottom. It's very quick and easy, but if you just want to wear it as a briefcase, carry it like this. There's of course also a shoulder strap, I will show you in a minute. So you've got 3 options to wear it, which is awesome. I mean, I prefer to have it as a backpack because it's just the lightest and the easiest to wear it that way. However, that being said, I'm a musician and I play the viola. It looks like a violin. If I travel for business, for a gig, then I need to have my viola case on my back, and that is like a backpack. And in that case, this thing is really awesome because then I would just wear it with a shoulder strap in addition to my viola case, and I'm perfectly set for one bag travel, well, with an instrument in my case. But if you are not a musician, it is also awesome that you can slide it over your suitcase handles, so you can have it as a personal item in addition to your carry-on or to your big suitcase. I mean, you've got so many options with this thing. I will show you in the end of this video, after we did a walkthrough of all the compartments, I will show you all the options how to wear it. But yes, so that was just to prove that it is indeed a backpack. All right, let's start with the front compartments here. So this is a YKK special waterproof zipper. So I mean, everything is special, and it is also ultra waterproof, this entire bag. So all your electronics will be super safe. So this is the outside compartment, which is quite long, so you can fit quite a lot of things in here. Then we've got, and then we've got one of the waterproof zippers that I love so much, the hidden ones. Up here, let's see, where does this take us? Yeah. So, I mean, look how awesome that is. You can be so organized, like with all Nayo Smart products, but this I feel has even more compartments than we usually have. First of all, you can put your keys here, so you never have to dig for your keys, which is awesome. Then we've got like a big compartment here. I'm thinking maybe like a keyboard or something that would fit in here, or anything long would fit in here nicely. Then we've got a compartment here. And then this is for your credit cards when you're traveling. This is awesome. And it is RFID, which means, because I didn't know until recently what that actually means, it protects your cards from people who are trying to scan them. Apparently you can just walk past someone and they can scan your cards, which is pretty scary. So anyway, you do not have to worry about any of this because they will be safely protected here with RFID. And you can put 2 pens in here as well. So everything you could possibly need, plus there's also space in front of all of that. You can put even more things. Perfect for a business traveler, just saying. But can we also fit our clothes in here if we want to use this for a weekend trip? Well, let's find out. So we can open this. There is a zipper here on the side. So there's actually 2 zippers for the main compartments. Let's see where they take us. First of all, the front one, which opens like all the way. Aha! And we've got the shoulder strap in here, which by the way is like padded. It says Nayo Smart on it, in case you didn't know. I mean, the quality is so nice. Padded, and yeah, I think it will be very comfortable to carry this as a shoulder bag because it's padded. Let's put this aside for now. So yeah, I will demonstrate later. But first of all, the main compartment. Look how much space there is, honestly. So if you put all your clothes into one compression packing tube, like I demonstrated in many previous videos, I will link them down there in the description if you want to see what I actually bring for a 2 to 3 or even 4-day trip. So that would easily fit in here. And I mean, I can tell you, you could probably even put some sandals or some extra sneakers in here as well. That's how much space there is. And we've got this little side pouch, which is amazing for example, your reading glasses. If you are like me and you need reading glasses, then they could be safe and sound here on the side, which is awesome. Or your sunglasses. Like endless options of what you can fit in there. And then we've got this as well, which is a big compartment as well. So you will be super organized with this. Not only does it look amazing, it is also super functional. And also I wanted to mention, let me move my computer, that this stands by itself. This does not wobble, so you can just have it open and it's not gonna fall, and you can take your things out or put something in without having to worry that it falls, which of course is amazing. And now, let's see what we have here in the back. And I mean, I'm guessing laptop compartment. Let's find out. Yes, so nice. So there's even some more space here, so you can separate your things. And then, I love how Nayo Smart makes it extra fluffy and comfortable for your laptop. Then, of course, you can also bring an iPad, and also your iPad will be comfortable. It's also fluffy for your iPad. I guess this is where your screen will touch it. So you put it screen up so that the screen has the fluffy material. And then we've got 2 more mesh compartment pouches that stretch a little bit for more tech stuff. Then there's also like this little sleeve here that goes over your laptop so that it can never fall out. Because maybe if you put it upright as a backpack, then you just want to be sure that nothing can happen to your laptop. So it's not going to slide out. Let me just demonstrate that my laptop fits. And again, this is a 15-inch MacBook Air. You can actually even fit a 16-inch. As you can see, because there's lots of room here on the sides. Very nice. All right, so that's the tech compartment, the laptop compartment covered. And of course, if you use this in addition to your suitcase, you can slide this bag over your luggage handles. But there's a little trick to it. So first of all, there is also like another compartment here where you can put flat things. So you can use this as an extra compartment. Or if you use it in addition to a rolled suitcase, then you open this zipper down here. And then this connects and you can slide this over your luggage handles. This is awesome that you have those options as well. And then here are the tags still. And what do they tell us? Oh, they tell us about this special back pure material. And I think this is something unique to Nayo Smart as well. I don't know how they come up with all that technology. It's pretty awesome. So it means that it's antimicrobial, I hope I'm saying that right, keeps your bag fresh and odor free. Even if you have like worn clothes in there, you know, that are a bit smelly or something, it will stay nice and fresh and antimicrobial. I've never seen that anywhere else. So Nayo Smart, good job, well done, love you guys. And then it also says multiple compartments, yes. Ergonomic harness, yes, yes, yes. Ultra water resistant, super safe. Super lightweight, so it is 1.2 kilos only. Yeah, it says digital compartment, as I already showed you. And air permeability. So I guess like airflow for your laptop, so it can breathe. All right, let's put that back in here. And if you think this bag is too small for one bag travel, meaning that this will be the only thing you bring on your weekend trip, think again, and also don't worry again, because I made a guide called From Chronic Overpacker to Minimalist Traveller, and it is linked down there in the description, and I will also put it up here. And in this guide, I'm sharing everything I learned about minimalist traveling over the past 10, 15 years. So everything I wish I knew earlier is in that guide. It has a packing list. It talks about how to do laundry on your trip. It talks about what to look for when you buy your perfect bag. Just saying, this would be pretty perfect. So everything is in that guide. Also, the guide absolutely pays for itself. It is way cheaper to get my guide than to add on luggage for even only one flight. So, but now let's see the 3 ways of wearing it, and let's see which one is the most comfortable, and let's see how it looks like wearing this bag. All right, option 1, wearing it as a backpack. So of course you can adjust the straps, and it's very easy to adjust them. And then it looks like this. As usual, we will ask Editing Vicky if it looks good. From what I can see, I think it looks pretty amazing. Also the size of it, and oh my god, it is so comfortable. And because it only weighs 1.2 kilos by itself, it will be so easy to stay under 7 kilos. Because yes, in Australia we need to stay under 7 kilos for most low-cost airlines if you want to avoid those airline fees and want to travel only with a personal item. And this, of course, is also perfect personal item size. So I really love it as a backpack. Now let's see the other options. Let's hide the straps real quick. So it's super easy. You just unhook it down there. Before I make them disappear, they are padded and really, really comfortable. Just saying. But for now, goodbye straps and hello shoulder strap. Okay, in they go, and then we just close it up with the zipper. Here I've got the shoulder strap, and we will hook that into here. So nice. Perfect for business traveling, just saying. All right, and now, there you have it. How does this look? Let me see if I can wear it as a crossbody bag as well. So for that I would make it a little bit longer. Of course, I love it. I love that way too. So there's actually 4 ways of wearing it. You can have it on your shoulder, you can have it as a crossbody bag, and then of course you can just carry it like this. You might want to just hide the backpack straps, get rid of the shoulder strap and just wear it like this. Alright, so all that's left to say is I love it. I have to give it 5-star tortoises out of 5. I mean, it is really perfect because it does everything. It is lightweight, it looks good, and it protects your laptop, and I mean, it still has enough space for a minimalist traveler to put all the essentials in there. So I could not possibly ask for more, so that's why 5-star tortoises out of 5. If you want one too, of course, I have my discount link that is valid for all Nayo Smart products. You find the link down there in the description. And I mean, I can only say highly recommend it if you do business travel or if you just want to look really fancy. And I won't say this time that I have reviewed all Nayo Smart backpacks because they probably just released a new one. Also, their website is like all new. They seem to constantly be working on exciting new products and like upgrading their website. And by the way, Nayo Smart, if you're watching this, I would love to meet your designers and I want to see how all the bags are made. I'm really curious. I'm such a big fan, obviously. But for you guys, just check out their website. There is a lot of exciting stuff happening. Alrighty, you guys, please let me know in the comments if you love this bag as much as I do. And please give it a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. And I will, oh, also there's another handle here. I just realized you can also hold it like this. So I really hope I didn't miss anything else. So this bag does a lot of things. Alrighty, you guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye!